Peters is looked upon today as one of the most respected companies of its kind in the world, capable of providing every kind of major innovation needed by the cookie and cracker industry. From single-row, 2-row, 3-row, 4-row, 5-row, 6-row, and split-drive machines, the Peters PT series of sandwiching machines is designed to automatically produce cookie and cracker sandwiches at extremely high output rates of speed. It's a production capability that includes double deposit, split deposit, off-the-oven base cake feeding, row multipliers, automatic feeding systems, slug pack loaders, tray loaders, vent pack systems, and more, all designed to increase production as well as profits. The model PT2 machine, for example, with its 2-row design will produce up to 1,600 sandwiches a minute, while the model PT4 machine with its 4-row design will produce up to 3,200 sandwiches a minute. And all standard PT series machines are capable of meeting all shape requirements from round to square to rectangular to even the most irregular, with a size range of 1 3/8 inches or 35 millimeters to 2 3/4 inches or 70 millimeters, applying any kind of filling needed from creams to peanut butter, cheese, or jam. Special size and shape configurations to suit individual customer requirements can generally be accommodated with special features to ensure the highest standards of accuracy and cream weight control. These features enhance reliability and efficiency. Let's look at one of Peters' latest innovations, the model PT2 with a QS2 stacker, starting with the vibratory biscuit conveyor feeders which feed the product to the machine magazines. The magazines retain the biscuits in an upright position, loading them onto the conveyor carrier chains. The bottom biscuits are dispensed from the magazines one at a time by pusher pins attached to the conveyor carrier chains, placing the biscuits onto bottom wires that support and move them down the length of the machine, their presence physically sensed. As the bottom biscuits move through the machine, they receive a predetermined amount of cream, deposited by a twin-outlet rotary stencil which is mechanically synchronized to the pusher pins. The cream is pumped to the rotary stencil from a PTH hopper pumping unit, where the premixed cream is constantly stirred. The pump delivers the cream at the desired predetermined rate. And since the rotary stencil is adjustable, both the location and the size of the cream deposit on the biscuit can be varied, applying the deposit when it is directly above the bottom biscuit. The head surface can even be machined to dispense a particular cream pattern. As the stencil deposits cream onto the bottom biscuits, a cream cutoff wire cuts off the cream's trailing flow from the rotating stencil, and the cream stencil assembly can be easily removed and dismantled for cleaning. Next, the top biscuits are dispensed, one at a time, from a second magazine, again by pusher pins attached to the conveyor carrier chain. These biscuits become the top half of the sandwich and complete the sandwich building process. Biscuit presence sensors are used to detect the presence of top and bottom biscuits fed from the magazines onto the conveyor chain. If biscuits are missing, an indicator will light up and the machine will not operate, alerting the operator to the problem. The sensors are activated by the PLC programmable logic controller. Following the cream application process, the sandwiches then travel under a depressor bar where they are compressed to assure filling adherence and an overall uniform sandwich thickness. This depressor system keeps both biscuits, top and bottom, flat and parallel to each other, and the overall sandwich uniformity permits inline packaging at speeds of up to 1,600 per minute. From here, they travel to the Peters model QS2 stacker accumulator for the Venn-style packages, where cracker cookie sandwiches are produced 1 high or 2 high by 1, 2, 3, or 4 long. To finish the operation, a horizontal wrapping machine must be added to the Peters PT2 QS2 equipment in order to complete the inline system, producing 2 high by 2 long Venn packs as shown here. A number of automatic handling and wrapping machines are available for system integration. Key to the PT2's innovative success is its remarkable control system.